Hey guys, so if you're like me and it's been a long day at work and you really just, you got to mow grass and you just want to throw something together real quick for dinner, this is my go-to thing. So I've got some pastry puffs and I am just going to cut them down the middle here. And I'm going to make upside down hot dogs. So you're just going to slice it like so. And okay, so you can use any weenies and any kind of cheese you want. I am going to use, and I want to measure real quick. And I'm just going to cut the excess off. So yeah, I should be able to get 2 out of each, which is what I was hoping, or at least a little bit. So you can have any cheese that you want. I'm going to use sharp cheddar with mine. So I'm just laying the cheese on here. Just kind of roughly tearing the cheese. It doesn't have to be perfect. And you're just going to lay your weenies on each one, like so. It's all right if they hang off a little bit. All right. Okay, I've melted some butter and I'm just going to go around the edges of the puff pastry with some butter for that golden crispiness. So the idea is these are supposed to puff up around the hot dog. And while this is cooking, I am going to go ahead and chop my onions up, glaze them, and put my chili. I'm just going to warp a can of chili to go on it. And this is going to be so good, so quick, so easy. Everybody in your family is going to love it, especially the kiddos. It's a different way to eat a hot dog. So I just put those in the oven for about 15 minutes until they puff up around it and are golden brown. So this is what it looks like fresh out of the oven. Looks pretty good, right? Okay, so this is what it looks like. I put my onions that I glazed with Coke, butter, and chili powder, and then ketchup, mustard, and I made some chili from a can that I've added extra seasoning to. Sorry the lighting is bad over here. I moved my stand, so I had to move my camera. But let's give it a try. That's really good. This right here would be great for summers, for cookouts. You can cook these for the kiddos this summer. Superb. Really good. As always, thank you guys so much for your kind words, your likes, and your subscribe. It really does mean a lot to me. You guys have a blessed day.